In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use version history in Box. Restore old versions. If you've ever overwritten a document or need to roll back changes, Box makes it easy to restore an earlier version without losing your edit trail. I'll walk you through how to find the right file, open its version history, and promote a previous version so it becomes the latest one, all within the Box web app. Start by navigating to the file you want to revert. Version history is managed per file, so make sure you're in the correct folder and looking at the exact item you want to change. You'll need sufficient permissions on that file to restore versions. If you don't see the options I'm about to mention, your access level may be limited by the file owner or your organization. Next, open the version history. There are 3 convenient ways to do this. The quickest is to look to the right of the file name for the blue version badge, such as V2 or V10. Click that badge to open the version list. If you're already previewing the file, click the ellipsis in the top right corner of the preview window and choose version history. And if you prefer working from the folder view, right-click the file, go to Properties, then select Version History. All 3 paths lead to the same place, so use whichever is simplest in your workflow. Once the Version History panel opens, you'll see a list of previous versions, each labeled with a version number, along with the date and time it was saved and the name of the person who made the change. Use those details to identify the version you want to bring back. This context is incredibly helpful when multiple collaborators are editing the same file or when you're trying to pinpoint a version from a specific day. When you've found the version you want, look for the ellipsis next to that specific entry. Click it, then select Make Current, sometimes labeled Restore. Box will immediately promote that older version so it becomes the latest version of the file. Importantly, this action does not delete anything. The versions that were newer a moment ago are still preserved in the history, so you can always switch again if you need to. Think of it as moving a bookmark back in time while keeping the full timeline intact. That's it. You've successfully restored an older version in Box with just a couple of clicks, keeping your work safe and reversible.